Okay, I thought maybe I'd make some breakfast today and do a video. I'm using Old South mild country sausage. Picked this up at the grocery store the other day, and anyway, this is already defrosted a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and throw a couple of these on. And this is a little bit preheated already. I turned it on to about 4 right there. And I'm just going to cook 2 of them for now. So I'm just cooking for myself this morning. And then of course I'm going to make some eggs as well. So I'm going to let my sausage cook. And then I'm going to make me some eggs. I can smell that sausage already. Wow. One thing I like about cooking breakfast is it always just smells so good. No matter what it is I cook, you know, sausage or bacon or fried bologna or whatever, you know, it's always really, really good. Always smells wonderful. And then the eggs, and of course the toast that I make to go with it. Yeah. We'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to let that sausage cook, and when the sausage is done, then I'll put that on a plate and cook my eggs in that sausage grease. Man, it smells so good. Smells so good. The sausage has been cooking for a little while. Get ready to put it on the plate. I had to turn the temperature down on that, let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll put the eggs in. Otherwise the eggs will cook too fast. Ooh-wee. It's time to cook some eggs. Look at that. Gotta spread that around, make sure it's even. I don't want to have too much in one spot, but it does kind of lean that way a little bit. Crack the egg, put my thumbs in it. Peel it open and turn it over. There we go. Perfect. One thing I'll always do is rinse my hands off after messing with the eggs, because I don't want my hands all yucked up with eggs, because it becomes a problem later. Clean hands. All right. What I like to do is I like to let the egg cook just enough to where the very bottom underneath starts to look like it's just starting to get white and firm, and then I flip it over. There it goes. Alright. And then I just let it sit there for just a little bit. I don't want it to cook too much because it's hot grease. Look at that. Perfect. Alright, I'm going to do another one. Crack the egg. Put the thumbs in it. Peel it open and let it go. There we go. Alright. Don't forget to rinse your fingers off. Man, it smells so good. Oh yeah. It's going to be a good breakfast. Good breakfast. I think I'll only do only do 2 eggs this time. Let that sit and cook until it's just about done on the bottom. Even though this top part still looks clear, if it looks like it's done on the bottom, then it's time to take it and flip it over. Because you don't want it to cook the egg yolk too much, because I'm doing the over easy, basically. And the egg yolk, a little bit of it's done, but it's still nice and runny. I like it nice and runny. Let me put this up. I put the eggs up. Here we go. Of course, I always like my salt and pepper. Salt, or pepper and salt. Move that out of the way a little bit. There we go. You know what? I think this is just about ready to flip over here. Looks like it's the top is still kind of clear and runny, but the bottom looks like it's getting done. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Alright, let that sit and cook for a minute. Not a minute, actually. Not very long at all. Just enough to kind of get going. Because I like my yolk runny. Leave that still nice and runny. It smells really good in this bacon grease. And, wow, yeah. Wonderful. Alright, time to get it out. So I didn't cook it very long at all, did I? Look at that. It's still nice and runny. And the yolk is not. The white is done, but the yolk is nice and runny. Turn that off. Take this off the heat. Set it over to the side so it doesn't keep cooking. Let it cool off. Alright, I'm going to put this on the table. Oh yeah. Got some stuff on the table here, but I'm going to sit down and enjoy this. Man. Wonderful. Get these chairs out of the way. Oh yeah. Wonderful breakfast. And you know, I totally forgot to make my toast. But you know what? That is just perfectly fine. Put my salt and pepper on there and just dig in. Oh yeah. Get some of that sausage. It smells so good. Perfect. Not too overdone, but done plenty. Look at that. That's the way I like my eggs, nice and runny. Oh yeah, wonderful. Look at that. Wonderful, wonderful. Man. Really, really good. I really like my eggs cooked in the sausage grease. It really gives it really good flavor. Very good. Man. Very good. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like them, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Oh man. You gotta sit here and listen to me chew on this stuff. The sausage and the eggs is really, really good. Make some comments. Tell me how you like to make your breakfast. Talk to you later. That's so good.